we present the Car Trailer Wiring Educational Trainer, designed for independent connection practice and familiarization with possible wiring configurations. Let's introduce all the components of the training stand. First, we see a visual representation of a car trailer with all lighting elements and connection sockets. At the top, we can see contact numbering, contact labeling according to the DIN standard, dedicated wireline power ratings, wire colors, and the cross-sectional dimensions of wires typically used in real trailers. In addition, the upper section provides connection conditions and guidelines for how the entire trailer circuit should be properly assembled. On the sides of the stand, there are wiring cables used to connect the electrical circuit. These cables are connected according to the specified requirements or by matching the wire colors. On the front panel of the trailer visualization, we can see front position light, side position light, rear right turn signal, rear position light, brake light, reverse light, number plate illumination, fog light, brake light, rear position light, left turn signal, and side and front position lights. Next, we have the 13-pin connector layout, shown from the perspective as if we are plugging it directly into the car socket. We also have a 7-pin connector and its wiring layout. Both 13-pin and 7-pin trailer sockets are displayed as they would be mounted on a vehicle. Additionally, the trainer includes adapters that convert from 13-pin to 7-pin and vice versa. These adapters are included for educational purposes, allowing trainees to test and understand how they can be used in real-world conditions. At the bottom of the trainer, we have control buttons used to operate turn signals, position lights, brake lights, fog lights, and reverse lights. The trainer is powered from a standard 220-volt household electrical outlet. Now, let's demonstrate how to correctly connect a 7-pin trailer socket. Using the diagram provided at the top, first, connect terminal L, the yellow wire, to the left turn signal. Second, connect terminal 54G, the blue wire, to the fog light. Third, connect terminal 31, the white wire, which serves as the ground connection powering all lights. Fourth, connect terminal R, the green wire, to the right turn signal. Fifth, connect terminal 58R, the brown wire, to the right side position lights, rear position lights, and number plate lights. Sixth, connect terminal 54, the red wire, to the brake lights. Seventh, connect terminal 58L, the black wire, to the left side position lights and rear position lights. Once all connections are completed, plug the connector into the 7-pin socket. Now you can start testing. By pressing the corresponding control buttons, you can check whether each signal works correctly. Test the turn signals, position lights, brake lights, and all remaining functions. If all lights operate as expected, this indicates that the circuit has been connected correctly. This training stand helps students understand the fundamental principles of vehicle electrics, circuit continuity, and proper grounding, essential knowledge for anyone working with automotive wiring. By practicing on this trainer, learners can safely explore real-world trailer wiring scenarios, identify circuit logic, and build a strong foundation in basic automotive electronics. It's an ideal educational tool for developing both theoretical understanding and practical wiring skills.